Okay, welcome. How to create subdomain, right, in Namecheap for your blogger site or in a blogger, right? So if you have watched my previous video on how to link your Namecheap domain to blogger, then you might see this domain, right, bootkey.com. Now here you are seeing custom domain is 8kvideo.bootkey.com. You are seeing this subdomain, right, 8kvideo, right, and you are seeing the blog address here 8kvideo.blogspot.com, right. Create your blog address, right, in blogger or blogspot.com. In my case it is 8kvideo.blogspot.com, and notice the name for subdomain, the same name, right, 8kvideo here, right, .bootkey.com, and I want to create a subdomain for this domain, right, bootkey.com via Namecheap. Now you are seeing this site here, right, 8kvideo.bootkey.com you are seeing here. Now let's go to Namecheap, right. You are seeing here, this is the domain, pick advanced DNS, right. Now you can see here the records, right. I've talked about this one already, and I also talk about this one CNAME record. I already talked about on connecting domain, Namecheap domain to blogger. Now you are seeing here 8kvideo CNAME record, right. So when you add this custom domain here, then you will get CNAME and destination or host records, right, from blogger. And in that case you only want to add this, right, 8kvideo, that is the name I want as subdomain, and add this one in the value, right, ghs.google.com. in host you will add the subdomain name, and in value you will add ghs.google.com, right. So, and I assume that you have already added a record for your domain, main domain, these four, and also you have added this one host, right, value, this one different. In your case it will be different. I've already explained about it in how to connect your main domain from Namecheap to blogger, right. So in case of subdomain, as a summary, you will go here, you will give your custom domain here, right. You will save it, and it will say to verify the authority, right. And after that you will go to your advanced DNS of the domain, and you create a type CNAME record right here, and host your subdomain name here, and the value this one, right. After that your site will open, right? Give it time, some time, 15 minutes, half an hour, in 1 hour in max it will be connected, right. Okay, thank you very much for watching. In any confusion, comment below. I'll reply your query.